Welcome to another Form Titan video. In this video I will show you how to send emails dynamically from Salesforce when using edit and send functionality in Form Titan button. So the functionality exists under document generation. Once you've got your document set up and you've linked it to a button and it's all working successfully, then what you need to do is when you go to your PDF mapping, and this works for dynamic and basic and Word as well, you need to go to Salesforce button, click configure, and edit and send email. Here, what you will do, first thing first, you need to make sure that send via Salesforce is enabled. And the way you do that is like this. You'll go to show all options, email, and then check send via Salesforce. Click configure, make sure it's set up correctly. Once this is true, then you go to your document generation, click edit, click settings, and then you go to Salesforce button, configure, edit an email, and then there's your org-wide email. Then in Dynamic 2, you can choose your email fields. So I'll give you an example. I've got contact here called Joe Blogs. He's got this field here called multiple emails. You can use formula field or any other text field. Rich text field is not supported, so please don't use that. So here, I will go ahead and just say, you know what, I want to use multiple emails field. And all the emails in there, this will send to. And it can also CC, BCC as well. You can also do a custom file name based on the field too. Once you click apply, 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 now it's good to go. So let's test this. So if you go here, FT contact page, this is my email dynamic. So I'll do email and then I'll do edit and send. So let's go ahead and send it. You can see in the other, it's automatically picked up my dynamic email field, multiple emails. So now all I have to do is just edit it. I can just edit what I want, add it, I'm good to go, click apply, and then I'll just say, hello, this is dynamic test. Thanks, Titan. And then all I have to do is add subject, and then choose my org-wide email, click send email. Now when I send this, it's going to go to Joe Blogs regardless, that's a given. But what I'm more interested in is, does it go to the multiple email fields and this specific email here? And the answer is, let's have a look. The answer is yes, it does. So look, here it is, it's come through. Hello, this is dynamic test. And there's my PDF mapping. Super simple to set up. And the same goes for Word document as well. You can do the same in Word document. So I've got a Word document here set up here. So if I just view and download, I'll show you how it looks like. It's just a very basic document that's pulling through like full name, email, and mobile. And now I'll show you how you can modify and send via Word as well. First thing you need to make sure, and just follow the checklist there, it's super simple. Email, check send via Salesforce, configure, make sure your org-wide email is selected. Then in the document generation, Word mapping, configure, go down to your button, configure, and then check, expand, edit, and send email. Choose your org-wide email like this. And then choose your dynamic to field. For me, it's obviously the multiple emails field. And then click apply. And that's it, you're good to go. Now, let's test this. So if I do action and do email, edit and send, it's going to bring this up. I'm going to download my Word mapping. And let's bring this up. So let's move this over. Like this. Okay, so here's my document, and all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do dynamic dynamic Word test. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and just send as an email. So if I go here now, it's going to go ahead and load up. and I can just send my template as normal, add a subject, dynamic word test. But what I'd like you to focus on is over here. It's picked up the emails correctly. So I'll go to advanced. These are the emails it's picked up. Okay. Super simple. So, and then the same thing I'll do here. Hello, test. This is word dynamic test. Thanks, Python. And then once that's done, I'll go ahead and send it. Alright, now it's been sent. So let's go and check our inbox if something's come through. Let's close, and look at that, there's our word test that's just come through. And there's a mapping. So that's how it's done. The functionality exists under document settings. So all you have to do is, whether Word or PDF, go under your button, click configure, edit and send email, modify your from, to, and you are good to go. And this is how it's done.